The fall season typically brings on the very, very busy mice or rat season. As we get into those colder temperature, mice and rats are looking for that nice, warm, secure spot to spend the winter. They love living in our attics, in our walls. There's an abundance of food source in the fall. As seeds and leaves are dropping, they'll gather this food source, bring it inside. But the fall season is when you want to get them out. Mice are kind of the lowest of the food chain. They reproduce very, very quickly. In 21 days, a newborn baby mouse is mature enough to give birth to another litter. So that population will continue to increase over the winter months if you don't act immediately and get them out of your attic. Mice will prepare for fall by, first off, getting very, very active in your attic and walls, an abundance of noise. They'll also be gathering nuts and other food sources that are outside your home and bring them inside the home. Mice tend to be gatherers. Fall is a great time to have these mice removed and then excluded from your home to give you a peaceful, quiet winter season. Some of the things you may see or hear in your home to know you have mice is you may start seeing some droppings in your kitchen, in your cupboards, or you're going to hear a constant chewing noise. Maybe you might hear a little pitter-patter running noise, but mice are rodents, which means their teeth are constantly growing. So to maintain the proper length of their teeth, they need to chew, kind of like a beaver. So they'll chew on electrical wiring in your attic, support joists, and if you're hearing noises, we like to say it's always best to try a bang test. That's meaning if you're hearing them in your walls or your ceiling, to bang on the ceiling or walls. Typically, mice, the noise will stop. And then it'll start up again in 10, 15 minutes, maybe a half hour later in the exact same spot. That's a great telltale sign that you're experiencing a problem with mice.